Hi guys, Kelvin here. So recently, there were a few changes to FTX. First, they changed the bank deposit info. Then they stopped allowing conversion to HTD. And everyone be like, how? So in this video, I will show you how to use FTX with all the new changes, how to deposit money, buy and sell crypto, and finally, how to get back your money in HTD. Alright, let's start right now. First things first, if you want to sign up, you can sign up with my referral link, because that way you'll be able to get 5% discount on your trades. Or even better, if your friend has a link, you can just use theirs to sign up, because both of you guys will get some kind of referral benefits. After signing up, to unlock all the features, you will need to do verification. So at the top right side, click on the settings button, click identity verification, then just verify yourself. You should be approved within just a few minutes. Next, let's fund some money into FTX. Now, you can either fund with HTD or USD. But let me show you something. If you are using DBS, when you try to send HTD over, there's a godlike $25 fee, which is sibei expensive. With $25, you can easily pump full tank without shaking your car at Johor. On the other hand, if you send USD over, it's free. So sending USD over is the best method. But what if you don't have USD? Oh, just kidding. No worries there, because DBS will also help you convert your HTD to USD when sending over. Bank exchange rates are not the best, but are still quite good, yeah? But if you really want the best rates, here's a pro tip for you. You can transfer your HTD to Tiger Brokers or Mumu, then convert to USD and send the USD back to your bank account. You will get the best rates, but you will need to wait 3 more days for the broker to send the money back to your bank account. So only do this if you want to wait long, yeah? Anyway, let me show you how to send HTD to FTX. In DBS, mouse over transfer, click DBS remit and overseas transfer. Click new recipient. For the bank details, head over to FTX. At the top, click wallet. Under USD, click deposit. Deposit wire, then just enter how much USD you want to transfer over. Take note of this amount because you will need it later, yeah? Then copy the beneficiary name, FTX Digital Markets Limited. Then head back to DBS and paste it in. For country, choose United States. Currency is USD. Okay, for recipient's address, if you check FTX, the address is in Bahamas. So you will need to choose Bahamas instead. Then for the address, go to FTX, copy the entire beneficiary address. Head back, paste it in. Wait, there's a 70 character limit, and the address is too long, like the long man. So here's what you can do. Notice how the address stops at new. Go back to FTX, copy the remaining words, Providence, Nassau, Bahamas, then paste it in. Trust me, I'm a programmer. Anyway, for recipient bank, choose other banks in United States. Click find Swift code, search for Silvergate Bank. You will have 2 results. The one in FTX ends in 66. So let's choose the one that ends in 66. Okay, we are almost done. For the recipient account number, go to FTX, copy the beneficiary account number, head back, paste it in. Click to agree to the terms and conditions that you are too lazy to read, then click next. After you have added the bank, let's transfer some money over. To do that, mouse over transfer, click DBS remit and overseas transfer. Look for FTX Digital Markets Limited, then click transfer. Choose your bank account, then enter in how much you want to transfer. Let's send $9 million over. Just kidding, I sell house, sell kidney, also not that much money. Yeah. But since just now I entered $50.48, here I'll make sure that I transfer the correct amount. Next is the super important part. You need to fill in payment details for recipient. So head over to FTX, scroll down and you will see your account identifier. Copy that, head back and paste it in. Then click to confirm the terms and conditions and click next. Check everything is alright, then submit. According to DBS, the transfer will be completed within 2 to 4 business days. But in my case, the money arrived in just a few hours.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, the money has arrived. Let's buy some cryptos and what big. I will show you how to buy some Solana. But you can buy whatever you want, yeah? There are 2 ways to buy. If you want the easiest way, at the homepage, scroll down. Then you can just directly convert your cryptos over. But let me show you something. FTX has 2 fees for trading. Maker fees and taker fees. Okay, if you blur and don't know what's that, don't worry, yeah, because I also don't know. Just kidding, here's what it means. See this thing? This is not a disco light. It's called an order book. Basically, it's a queuing system. On the left is the buy queue, right side is sell queue. So for example, I can see that there's 2.37 queue waiting to buy at $45,600, or there's about 1.4 queue waiting to sell at $45,640. Now, let's say if you want to buy at $45,530, you will join the queue here. Then if you join the queue, that means you are a market maker. But let's say if you want to buy immediately at $45,610, there's no buy queue, so you don't have to join the queue. That means you are a market taker because you take an order from the sell queue. So that's market maker and market taker. We can see that maker fee is 0.02%, while taker fee is 0.07%, which means that since we convert immediately, we are considered market taker. So the fees will be higher, yeah? If you want a lower fee, here's how. At the top, click on markets, look for your trading pair, for example, Solana USD pair. You can also type in to search for it. You will see a super nice chart which makes you feel like you are Warren Buffett YOLOing into crypto or something. But let's scroll down a bit. Here, you can buy and sell your cryptos. For order types, the two main ones are limit order and market order. For limit order, you can choose what price you want to buy the crypto at. And for market order, you will just buy at the best price. Then you are able to enter how many crypto that you want to buy. You can also use the slider to choose the percentage. So that's the basics. If you want lower fees, you will need to use limit order to join the queue. Wait for your order to get filled and congratulations! Now you are proud bet holder, proud investor of Solana. Now comes the most interesting part. How to withdraw the money back to SGD? Okay, I've been testing out different methods and have lost some money. But it's okay because I do it for you guys. I will quickly go through what I've tried. But if you want the final result, just skip to the next part using the timeline down below, yeah? First, I tried DBS. The idea is withdraw to DBS, then send USD to Tiger Brokers or Mumu, then convert, then send back to DBS again. But as it turns out, DBS charged me a godlike $10 handling commission fee. So I lost some money, which means that this method is bad. Then I tried researching which bank had free inward remittance fee. What I found was that CIMB and Citibank does not charge any fee for inward USD remittance. I double checked CIMB and saw that there's really no fees. So I opened a CIMB multi-currency account and sent money over. I lost a bit of money at FTX side because I tried withdrawing 2 times within 7 days. So after the fees, by right, I should receive 100 USD, right? Wrong. Turns out I only received $95. Where did the remaining $5 go? I don't know. But anyway, losing $5 is still bad. So this method, out. I didn't try the Citibank method. Why? Because I'm sick of losing money. But if you happen to try, do let me know what are the results, yeah? So no choice, there's only one last method, crypto transfer. Basically, I transfer the crypto to another crypto exchange that supports SGD, then withdraw the money back out. For this, you have a few choices like Crypto.com, Gemini, Coinco. But personally, I prefer to use Gemini because the fees are much lower. So let me show you how to transfer to Gemini, yeah? FTX charges fees for ETH, ERC20 tokens, and small BTC withdrawals. So to avoid withdrawal fees, you can convert your crypto to something like LTC. After converting, just look for LTC, then click withdraw. Enter the amount. If it's your first time withdrawing, I suggest sending a tiny amount test water first. Just in case there's something wrong, at least you won't lose everything, yeah? Then for the address, go to Gemini, click transfer, deposit into Gemini. Look for LTC, then copy the address, head back and paste it in. Do a 2FA, then withdraw. The crypto should arrive within 10 to 20 minutes. So just wait a bit, yeah?
A few moments later.
Once the crypto has arrived, you can convert it to HGD and withdraw. Pro tip, if you want the lowest fees, you will need to use active trader mode. So go to account, settings, scroll down, then change to active trader. Go back to the exchange. Here, you can see that only BTC and ETH can convert to SGD. So what you need to do is convert your LTC to BTC, then convert to SGD. So I'm selling my LTC to BTC, then sell my BTC to SGD. Okay, once you are done, click transfer, withdraw from Gemini, choose SGD. You will need to enter your bank info if you haven't done so. Enter the amount, then request withdrawal. The money will arrive within 1 business day, yeah? Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how to use FTX. Hopefully it helps you guys. As usual, like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.